Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful low chignon hairstyle. To start, I'm going to apply some texture powder all over the roots at the crown of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. I'm also going to apply this just a little bit at each side of the head in a couple of sections. Do this on both sides. Next, divide the hair from the top of the head to just behind the ear and clip this out of the way, and then repeat on the opposite side. Now I've decided to backcomb the crown area just a little bit to give it a lift, but if you don't like backcombing you can totally skip this step completely. So once you've finished backcombing, just smooth each layer out with the very tip of your comb, just so you can't see the backcombing through the hair. And then I'm going to apply some wax spray. Again, I'll list this below. And then I'm going to use my comb to smooth over that layer, and this really helps control any flyaways. Then just secure that section into a low ponytail at the back of the head. And then taking that front left hand side, I'm going to leave some hair out to frame the face. And I'm going to spray some wax spray on the rest of that section, smooth it out with my comb and bring it over to the right hand side of that little ponytail. I'm going to make a hole in that backcombed section with my fingers and pass that front section through and pull it all the way through that hole, securing it with a bobby pin. And I'm going to just repeat that on the right hand side, so leave some hair out to frame the face, apply your wax spray and use your comb to smooth the hair. Now we're going to bring this round to the back of that ponytail, but this time we're going to go to the left hand side of the ponytail. You can make a hole with your fingers, but I find it's a little bit neater if you use one of these little topsy tail tools. So pop that through that little backcombed hair on the left hand side, pull the right hand section through and then secure in place with a bobby pin or two. Then secure the rest of the hair into a low ponytail using an elastic band. Now I've cut up a hair donut and used some of the padding, and I'm just going to wrap a little bit of this around the ponytail just to give the bun some extra volume, and then I'm just going to secure it in place with as many bobby pins as I need all the way around that padding. Now I'm going to take some smoothing cream and I'm going to use a pea-size amount, and I'm just going to rub this between my hands and smooth it all over that ponytail. Again, this helps with flyaways. Now I'm going to take a small section of hair from the left hand side, twist it all in one direction, and then I'm going to bring it up the left hand side of the padding and secure it onto the right hand side. Use as many bobby pins as needed, and then just tuck the ends underneath and secure it underneath the padding. Then moving on to the right hand side of the ponytail, I'm going to take the same size section again, twist it up, hold it to the right hand side and bring the ends over to the left hand side, securing with bobby pins as you go. If there's any gaps you can pinch and pull at the sections just to fluff them out a little bit, and again secure the ends underneath with a bobby pin. Divide that ponytail again in half, and we're going to go over to the left hand side, twist the hair in one direction, hold it to the left hand side and bring the ends over to the opposite side on the right and secure with a few bobby pins. And that leaves left, and we're just going to twist it and use it to fill in that little gap at the bottom of the bun. So secure it to the right hand side, bring it over to the left hand side, and then those very last little tail ends tuck underneath the bun and secure in place. Then just curl the hair at the front of the head away from the face. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.